everyone. I'm out in my greenhouse today and I filmed a tutorial last year about making a wreath for sun's going down, shining right in here, so it makes a lighthouse warm, but it's terrible lighting for filming a video. So I have a wreath form here that I am going to, I just finished cutting some brush. I'm going to set you down. Maybe. There. So I just finished cutting some brush. I have some pine, I have some spruce, and I have whatever that bush is that grows on my front lawn that I don't know the name of. Now this morning I went to a craft show and I bought these. They're just wooden and they're really thin, but I know the young lady who paints them. She actually did the one and gave it to me that's on my garage. The barn quilts, they call them. So she did a bunch of ornaments with quilt blocks on them. And they are perfect for mailing in a card. Because the lady I was with, she said, oh, and I said, well, I'm going to send one to Michelin then. I'm going to send her this one because it's cut red and white, Canada. But pretty quilt block. I don't know what it's called, but there's a compass. And this one's really cute too. I don't know what that one's called. So there's a crisp, if you're a painter and you like to paint, painting quilt blocks on, I think she bought the little wooden. So there's a cute idea. So I thought I'd share that with you. Whoops, move the camera. So let's see how long, if I can get a wreath made before dark. The coyotes were howling something fierce and I can hear gunshots in the background, so I don't think you guys want to hear that. Well, they're shotguns. They must be hunting geese down on the marsh. So, yes, and I should have filmed the coyotes this morning when they were howling. It was unreal. It was at daylight, around 7 a.m. They were losing their minds. There, that was a shot. So I don't know if you heard that. Yes. So let's see how fast I can make a wreath. And I will link in the iCards making the wreath. And, oh, gotta tell you, if you want to spray paint pine cones, put them on a skewer, a wooden skewer, and so easy to paint them. Now, and then I just stick them in the ground outside so they'll dry. So I have some sitting out there right now that I spray painted silver because I made a wreath for a lady last year. Well, I think 2 years ago, and she really liked this bow of the blue snowflake, but her door is blue, and so I added white ribbon into this bow to see if that would make it stand out, and I thought if I spray painted some pine cones silver and put them on the wreath. Anyway, that's what I intend to show you when I get it finished. Now hopefully I will get that done before dark. And I think it's around 3 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. Alright, I'm going to get to work and then I'll show you what I come up with. Okay. My first wreath is always the worst looking one. You gotta get practiced So there it is. I guess I need to walk. Anyway, I took pictures of it. So it does show up on a blue door. I don't know. I have some cedar that I spray painted, and the pine cones aren't actually attached to the wreath yet, so. And I'm getting hungry and it's getting dark, and I gotta get this video uploaded, and hopefully I can do it from home and I don't have to go somewhere else. Because I'm still having major internet issues. So it's getting dark. I can't see what I'm doing. And yeah. So I'll be making wreaths for the next few days. But I do have something planned for tomorrow. So hopefully I can get this uploaded for this evening and not break my every other day video homemade Christmas series so far. So there's another wreath decorating idea. I know we already did one, but that is what I'm doing. Between classes and my fabric order that came in that is on my website, I think I still have three more fabrics to upload onto my website, so which I will post on Instagram and all the places. So there you have it. That's what I've been up to. I hope you enjoyed that, but we'll see. I'm not really quite done that yet, but it's as done as it's going to get for tonight. I gotta go in and have some supper. And the cat is chasing a grouse around here, so I should go save the wildlife. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.